lao sang我
No, I'm playing Roblox. No, you're playing Fortnite. You're not allowed to. One, I'm not in two. How can you even see from all the way over there?